Sharp cold front arriving tomorrow after a mixture of sunshine and clouds today. A round of rainfall tomorrow afternoon and early tomorrow evening could be locally around an inch of rain, and there is the potential with a front coming through with a couple of wind gusts over 30 to 35 miles an hour. Bottom line, minus a shower chance tomorrow morning, is the most focused of this rainfall will be during the mid-afternoon through early evening hours. It likely sets up a very messy evening commute with ponding on roadways and a chance of some isolated outages, so it is impact weather for tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow evening. You can see that system back to the west. Ironically, it's in the form of snow now, but as it gathers moisture and heads in our direction, just a thickening of clouds tomorrow morning. Maybe a rain shower tomorrow morning with a southeast wind, but as that southerly wind picks up during the afternoon, temperatures will warm in the 40s to lower 50s. There's a look at your evening commute, which will likely have some heavier rainfall around. There could be a couple of wind gusts over 30 to 35 miles an hour with the front coming through, and then quick clearing behind it, eventually setting up another brisk day with partial sunshine for Thursday.